Oh, this is how you cleanse out toxins from your system, toxic smells, and leave your system so healthy, smelling so fresh and amazing, plus load up your system with nutrients. So, in order to come up with this very amazing recipe, the first ingredient you will need is grapes. So, these are grapes, very good source of antioxidant to repair the skin. You know, when your skin has been experiencing a lot of free radicals, you tend to sweat, smelly sweat, you tend to stink. Antioxidants equally help to revive your skin, cleanse you up, and you end up so healthy. Plus, this helps with long life, it helps with longevity, very healthy. Yeah, it contains resveratrol, which is very good at promoting long life and healthy life. So this is it. So this is a cup of grapes. So I always wash with vinegar and water. So you know they are always exposed. So you want to wash with vinegar and water to make sure it is very clean and really good for consumption. So this is what you want to do. Wash thoroughly and you're good to go. Yeah, so a cup or a little bowl of this, or a handful. So this is it, set aside, very healthy. The next very healthy cleansing ingredient is apple. So apples are very good as they are very cleansing, detoxifying, contain a little bit of all the vitamins and minerals your system needs for good health, cleansing, and it equally promotes your skin, your liver to function properly, that way cleansing all those bad smells from your system, toxins making you always smell bad and sick. That way you end up so healthy, and you know our doctors will tell you that it takes you away from them, because this is very, it forms a disease fighting barrier in your system. The pectin in apples is very good. So this is it. You flush all the toxins. That way, your skin is so clean and you smell so amazingly fresh. Now, another very powerful cleansing ingredient is pineapple. Pineapples contain bromelain, which is very good for detoxification, for cleansing of the skin, cleanses your pores. That way, you end up smelling so good, so fresh. All those toxic waste in your pores, all cleanses you real good, boost your metabolism, and help you easily flush out all the toxins in your system, and you end up so healthy. So this is it. Just like a quarter size of pineapple, slice up into, depending on the size, if it is a little pineapple, half of it, and you're good. So that is it. Now I want to prepare these because I'll be needing this cleansing tea to add in those other very powerful ingredients. So this is clove. So this is very powerful, so you want to watch till the end. So this is a tablespoon of clove, and I want to come up with a tea out of clove and bay leaves. And cloves are very cleansing, very good for leaving the system at the cleanest, like it removes all those stuffs in you, making you not always healthy, plus causing those odors, and you smell so healthy and fresh. So they are natural antibiotics, as I can put it, very good for cleansing bacteria in your system and leaving you so healthy and good. So I want to infuse this, so I'll kind of close this. That was hot water I added in there. So hot water helps you infuse, and I left it for like 10-15 minutes to cool down, and voila, this is it. So this is it. You want to sieve out the clove and bay, and you need just the tea, that cleansing tea out of it. So this is it. Cool down. So you want to leave it to cool down while infusing. So now the next thing you want to do is to put the ingredients in the blender. Put in your ingredients, whatever order you want, that is fine, they will blend well, and add in this water. So this is 1 cup of this cleansing tea, cool down. And when you add that 1 cup of cleansing tea, you add extra 1 cup of water. So extra 1 cup of water to blend with. So you blend till you get a very smooth paste out of this, like a smooth smoothie out of this. Now you can go ahead and sieve out the juice from this. Yeah, so pineapples are kind of foamy, they foam a lot. When you blend pineapples, you tend to have all this foamy stuff, but I'll take it out of this, and leave our juice so clean, and so that is how pineapples are. So yeah, just basically just like sieve out the the juice out of that, and yeah, you're good. This is very powerful, very cleansing, very detoxifying, very good for your health. Will leave your health at the utmost level, flush those toxic smells from your body, and you smell so amazing. So I just kind of sieve like 1 2 more times, the particles from the peel of the grape, and so the juice is really 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 smooth, and you know so the cleansing drink or juice, yeah. So voila, this is it. Just see, or if you have a cloth, your juice cloth or a cheese cloth, whatever, you can just use to kind of like, that is easier and faster. Now you want to serve up your juice in your cup or your jar, whatever you're to have this in. So just serve it up in your jar or your cup to store up, and trust me, you will come back and tell me how amazing this is. Make sure you're drinking on an empty tummy, so no oil or whatever obstruct the cleansing process. Best early in the morning on an empty tummy, at bedtime, so you can drink some in the morning on an empty tummy and drink the remaining at bedtime, just like that for 2 days, and you come back and tell me. This is so amazing, so cleansing, so detoxifying. Plus, we want to do this alongside drinking enough water. When you have odors or your system, you're always prone to always being not healthy, sick. It is because you don't drink enough water to cleanse basic bacteria or stuffs out of your system. Those bacteria culture and turn into odors and making you always sick and not healthy. So this water alone is of the biggest cleanse you can find in your kitchen, the cheapest cleanse. So if you're not drinking water and you're going for this, you're always complaining, oh, my sweat smells so bad. That is because you don't drink water. Like when you pee pee without drinking water the whole day, your pee pee tends to be dark yellow. That is to show you the importance, the power of water. Once you drink water, your pee pee tends to be white. So that is how water cleanses you. So if you want to always be healthy, smelling so fresh and amazing, make sure you're drinking enough water, and you will always look so healthy, so fresh, so beautiful because of this recipe. This recipe is so good as it will load your system up with nutrients you need for utmost health, for beautiful skin as well, for a healthy life, long life. And I don't know how to reiterate any further, but this is so amazing. You want to share this video with your family and friends. Try and come back and tell me how you feel about it. Your health is your wealth. Trust me, you don't want to spend time in the hospital, so always go for recipes like this to give you that healthy body from the inside, and you equally smell so fresh and amazing as well. So fresh and healthy, yeah. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and bye.